Well, hello, awesome people. This is BenJammin, and we are working on the song "The Rhyming Alphabet" and the Rhyming Riddles. The song. Let's play the key of C. Here we go. First, with the song, we'll say we need someone's name from the audience, and someone yells out something like Susan. Okay, Susan. We'll take the first letter of Susan's name and replace it with all of the sounds in the alphabet. A oozin', boozin', coozin', doozin', a oozin', foozin', goozin', oozin', a oozin', juuzin', coozin', loozin', moozin', noozin', a oozin', poozin', oozin', roozin', Susan, toozin', you oozin', boozin', woozin', scoozin', usin', zoozin'. Now I know my oozin', boozin', coozin', Susan. Letters help us write and read. What do you call a Susan that is driving on Friday night, having fun with her friends? She's cruising. What do you call a Susan that's one more than one and one less than three? Twosin. What do you call a Susan that is doesn't know which direction to go in? It's really confused. In. What do you call a Susan that is she didn't win, she's losing? What do you call a Susan that is a place where all the animals are kept? In the zoozin. Very good. Let's get one more name. Let's have the name Peter. A eater, beater, keeter, deeter, eater, feeder, geeter, eater, eater, cheater, keeter, leader, meter, neater, eater, Peter, queeter, reader, cedar, teeter, you eater, beater, weeder, skeeter, yeeter, zeeter. Now I know my eater, beater, keeters, Peter. Letters help us write and read. What do you call something? What do you call a Peter that's made of sugar? Sweeter. What do you call a Peter? That's has toes and an ankle and an arch, feet. Very good. What do you call a Peter that he's in battle and he has to go back because they're gonna lose? He's retreater. What do you call a Peter that you used to make your cookies and mix the batter together with a beater? Very good. The rhyming riddles and rhyming alphabet. You got this.